We are looking for peer tutors and SI leaders, and for more information, please check out our website. Hi, my name is Melissa Selzer-Hoffner, the Director of Tutorial Services. I'm here today to ask for your assistance in helping us recruit tutors for the following semester. What we would like you to do is either announce to your classes that we are hiring or send us a recommendation of students that you feel would be a great tutor. The qualifications to become a tutor are a 3.0 cumulative GPA, 30 credits or more. They have to have taken the class, received an A or B, and then also get a recommendation from that professor or faculty in that department. So if you know of a student that you would like to recommend, you can either email myself or fill out a recommendation that you can find on our website. We'd also like to come to announce to your class that we're hiring and see if we can recruit some students from there. We appreciate your time and effort in helping us support our students here at UNC. So please take a look at our website, feel free to reach out, and we hope to speak to you soon.